Watch the breakdown.
Hey you guys, a young investor here, back with you with another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about resistance and support. All right, so right now we're going to go over the gold future, and we're just going to see where we can see some resistance and some support at. And I'm gonna ask you guys, not going to ask you guys, but basically I'm going to be showing you guys what to look for. All right. So as you can see, gold hit some resistance right here. It's struggling to get above this point. Really, you can see right here. But I'm going to put right here just to be conservative. You know, just could be, give it some leeway. And we can say this is the support. Now, as you can see, it was bouncing at this area, struggling to go below. So that is the support for it. That is where the buyers come in. The buyers come in and they push it back up as far as like the price action, pushing it back up, making the stock or the future go back up. And what it do? It went to the resistance. The resistance is where it struggled to go above. So it got rejected right there, right there, right there, right there. And mind you, we're on a 4-hour chart. So it got rejected right here, right here, right here, right here, by this resistance in this area. And it caught itself right here, right here, right here, a bunch of times right there. Why? Because a bunch of buyers came in at the support. That's where buyers come in. The buyers come in at the support, and a lot of people sell at the resistance because they feel as though that is more so on the overbought side because it's overvalued. And there is more than one support and resistance. As we keep going, all right, I'm gonna keep going over, right? I'm gonna keep going over. We can see it's a strong support, and 9 times out of 10, if it keep moving sideways, it's going to end up picking a side. And as you can see, it picked the side, and what it did, it went down. But it can always push back up. Don't get it messed up. It's going to pick sides here and there, but it can always pick back up. Look at that. Hit the resistance again up here, and then end up pushing above the resistance, making a higher high. You see that? Got rejected right there. Pulled back, and then made a higher high. Buyers came in right here when they see it made a new support and pushed up and made a higher high. So that's very good. So let's get a bigger picture going on here. Let's get a bigger time frame going on here. All right, so let's look at this. All right, so we know the top right here is resistance, right? And we know down here, you can say the support is around this level. It's more so around this level, you can say, right? That's the support. It caught itself right there. Let me get the circle tool for you guys. All right. Record itself right here, right here, right here, right. You see it. It caught itself a bunch of times, and it got rejected right here. Got rejected right here. Pushed above, but got rejected in that area, and then it pushed down. You see, usually when this is a key support, which means buyers usually always come in around this area and fuel it with money, which means they always come in around this area and push the future or the stock back up to the resistance. And usually, when they keep testing that support, as you see what it did, keep testing that support, it's going to end up breaking below. And that's exactly what happened. And I'm not saying that it's not a possibility that it can't go back up to resistance up here. It could, but it broke the pattern. It broke the price pattern that we was looking at. If you ask me, just check it out. We was going boom, 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 boom. You might as well say boom, 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 and then it finally broke below. So support, resistance. Buyers come in down here and push it back and push the stock back up, and resistance is a price range where it struggled to go above. So we know that the resistance on gold is around $1,560. So that's what we know, and we know that the old support for it was around $1,500. More so, you could say $1,498, $1,500. You could say. So that's how you look at resistance and support. Resistance is the price range where it struggled to go above, and support is where it catches itself and don't go below. Basically, buyers come in at the support, sellers come in at the resistance. They sell it because they feel as though it's overbought. Buyers come in at the support because they feel as though it's undervalued, so they buy it, fueling it back up. But then once they get to the resistance, they then sell it because they feel that those overvalued. It's at the range where they know that it's going to end up, running out of fuel and running out of space to go up more. So they sell it, and that's the way to go. Resist, support, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, support broken, and then we don't know how low it could go. You got to look at other supports. So if you ask me, I could say this thing probably could come to like at least right here at this level, because this was a previous support for it, right around this level. See how it caught itself right there? So that's where I can see it coming down to, and it's not there yet. It's almost there, so it could definitely come to that level. So that is how you identify support and resistance levels. Hope you guys learned something. Different type of patterns you can also watch and use support and resistance on. As you can see on here, look at this. It's moving sideways but up, making higher highs every time. Look at that. So we also can do this. Check this out. Support all the way up, so we know what direction is going in. All the way up, and look at that. That's the price range it's straightening. It's straightening this. Support, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance. Support, cracked it some, but you could have had your support right here and kept it right there. Oh, sorry about that. Right back here. And kept it right here. Could have said, okay, I'm risking from this. That's support, the old support right bounce that and push that. And push that right here. And the support, supposed to catch it right here, but came down to this support, this old one right here. Caught it and then pushed up and made a new high, resistance. And then end up washing out, as you can see if I zoom out, end up washing out. So that is how you can use support and resistance in different ways as well. Very good. Hope you guys learned something. Have a good day, and make sure you remember, buyers come in at the support, sellers come in at the resistance. Support prices push it back up. Buyers come in and sellers come in at the resistance and sell it, and seller pressure come in and push the stock back down. So that's how we do it. Let's get it.